today I'm in Ocean City, New Jersey, one of South Jersey's greatest beach towns, very family-friendly resort, beautiful boardwalk. And today I'm at a new listing at 9 West 15th Street. Beautiful street here. I'm just a few blocks from the bay. I'm going to take you for a tour of this home. It's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a 2-car garage, and a lot to offer in this house. A great design and layout. So come join me for the tour. We help people achieve the highest quality of life through buying and selling real estate. If you're looking to buy a home or sell a home in New Jersey, Delaware, or Pennsylvania, my team and I would be honored to help. And you can contact us at info@promptagents.com. And if you'd like me to consult with you, if you're considering buying a new home, remember to contact me first before you call a builder or go to visit a model home. So before I show you inside the house at 9 West 15th Street, let's take a look at some of the unique outdoor spaces that this house has to offer. Starting off here with this wraparound deck, it comes through the front, and there is a gate here, so if you had a dog or something up here, you could gate this off and close this off. It actually comes all the way around the side of the house. This is nice vinyl railing here as well. You have a side door and a mudroom, this entryway into the house here. Right off of here is a outdoor shower. And as you come down here, this area here is also fenced in and it goes all the way around to the side of the house. And through this trellis you have at the back of the house a 2-car garage here. There's a shed over here. Just a lot of outdoor space to offer. A back deck up here right off of the kitchen and the family room area. And then as I said, this outdoor space wraps all the way around. You have all this fenced in area here outside the house. So outside here we have a 2-car garage, and there's also a shed for storage, and there's a back alleyway here for access to the garage. So this home was built by Dean Adams, a custom builder here in Ocean City in 2005. He did a beautiful job with this layout, a lot of really nice custom touches that were done in this home. So as we're coming in this front foyer area here, we have a large living area. Beautiful windows here, a lot of natural light in front of the house. You have a gas fireplace here, all within the living area. And then as you come this way, it's very open concept to the rest of the house. We do have a dining area here, half bathroom right here. The mudroom here we talked about as we went outside the house, that mudroom, you can just come in that side entrance right near the outdoor shower. And then back here, we have family room. And again, another gas fireplace here in the family room. And then you have this large kitchen, plenty of cabinet space and counter space in this kitchen area, stainless steel appliances as well. Upstairs is 4 bedrooms and 2 baths. Let's go up and take a look. So upstairs, right as you come up the steps, you have a washer and dryer, so the laundry area is right here. And then there's 3 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms right here at the front of the house and then another one here. The owner suite is in the back of the house. So in the back of the house here, we have the owner's suite. There's a walk-in closet, large bathroom with jacuzzi tub, separate shower, and dual vanities. So I'm on the upper back deck right off of the owner's suite here of the house, and beautiful space just to sit out here, get some fresh air, and overlooking the alleys and the other homes surrounding here. Beautiful space. So if you'd like more information on this home, check the link in the video description. I'm going to have all the details on this home. I'll include some pictures. We have some great aerial photos I'll include there as well. And if you're looking for a home in Ocean City, definitely check out this video tour, another property that I did here in Ocean City a few years back. Really cool property. I think you might like that one as well.